The Rock revealed 5 surprising facts about Dwayne Johnson you didn't know. Another day, another story. Fact 1. Before becoming a professional wrestler, Johnson played college football for the University of Miami, where he won a national championship in 1991. Fact 2. In 2000, Johnson made his acting debut in an episode of that 70s show and later appeared in films like The Mummy Returns and The Scorpion King. Fact 3. Johnson's father and grandfather were both professional wrestlers, and his daughter Simone Johnson is following in their footsteps by pursuing a career in wrestling. Fact 4. Johnson is a philanthropist and has supported several charities, including Make-A-Wish Foundation, Dwayne Johnson Rock Foundation, and the American Cancer Society. Fact 5. Johnson has a passion for cooking and has shared his recipes on social media, including his favorite cheat meal, The Rock's 12 Labors Burger.